one can make you happy or sad unless you choose to be. Hello everyone, I'm Adesh Yadav, a student of Air Force Chandan Nagar 9BRD. The topic of my speech is emotional health. So what does exactly the term emotional health mean? It is the person's ability to identify his true emotions, the true temperament, and his true life values. Now many people often wrongly interpret the emotional health as the mental health. But let me tell you that these are two different things. So what really makes it necessary to have a good emotional health? So let me tell you that the foremost benefit of having a good emotional health is that a person gets influenced by his or own self. Now this may sound surprising because in our day-to-day life we admire a lot of people, a lot of personalities, and we get influenced or some sort of inspired by them. But does that motivation stay for long? No. But when a person gets influenced by his or own self, then he has no reasons of becoming sad and is happy and contented because he discovers his uniqueness or his identity. And what really goes through the process is he doesn't want to become anyone else and tries to be unique. Highlighting the importance of being unique because it is really a matter of fact that a person stays what he is and doesn't try to become what another person is. Now, other benefits would include purification of the mind and soul, a positive outlook, a stress-free life, which is very important in today's generation. So what you need to exactly do in order to ensure that you have a good emotional health? Now you all must be wondering that I would recommend some sort of physical exercise or yoga. But I know that these physical activities are really very important. But what you need to do in order to ensure this is talk to yourself. Give your time. Give your time to yourself first. I don't mean that lock yourself in a room and just do things which will make you uncomfortable or which would only cause you to, be emotionally upset. But you need to talk to yourself. You need to talk to your mind. Raise questions to your mind. That are you contented? Are you happy? Where do you stand? What reasons do you need to stay happy? And when you get the answer of this question, you will definitely realize the importance of having a good emotional health. And after this video, please ask yourself those questions and think over it. And you'll definitely get the answer and the importance of a good emotional health. Thank you.